Guys, Chris from Dunn Watson. Just want to show you a couple of custom units going out this week. These two are the two custom kitchen units going in a van. So they're designed to go side by side in each other. We'll just walk you through these ones. They are massive, all right? So this side, we have a top drawer, slides and locks out. These are all fitted on our 227 kilo locking runners too, so they're going to take a heap of weight for your big drawers. The smaller ones are our 125 locking. The front section here, you've got 3 individual drawers. All right, 1, 2, and 3. And then this unit does come out again. And then behind it, we've got essentially a fridge tray or a barbecue tray section there. And then on your left-hand side here, we've got 2 drawers again at the top. Again, 2 massive drawers. So just keep on giving these. And then down the bottom, this is essentially a custom Gen 2 kitchen unit. So very, very similar to the one we sell on the website, this front section. So you got your paper towel, you got your condiment section. Comes out, but it doesn't stop, it keeps coming. All right, and then you've got your essentially kitchen burner bay down the bottom here. So your burner bay there, and then you've got your pull-out bench here. So your pop-down sink and your chopping board can go right in there. And then another little one. At the back here too, you've just got another kind of kitchen or cutlery drawer that pulls out the side. But there you go, guys. Just an idea of the custom work we can do with these drawers. This one we did go back and forth with the customer a couple of times to just get it right. But yeah, I just can't get over how big they are. Cheers.